So how do I disciple somebody? This seems to be a common question, and in our culture and our society, we really struggle with this. Now, I was talking to a friend of mine a couple of months ago, and he grew up on a ranch out west. And he is maybe the best disciple maker that I've seen. He doesn't put almost any effort into it. It doesn't seem like he puts any effort into it. And I was talking to him about how he does this, and he's owned a woodworking shop, and through the woodworking shop, he's turned out all of these different people who have helped out lead worship and help with worship and musicians and different things. And he's not doing that right now. I was like, we need you to make sure that you're in contact with people because you do a great job of discipling people. And the more we talked about it, he didn't even realize that's what he was doing. See, culture has changed so much that him growing up on a farm or growing up on a ranch, his dad just needed extra help. He needed extra hands. So we always took him with him. And because of that, they spent time, they had conversations. He learned to do what his dad did. That's essentially what discipleship is. It is taking people along with us. It is taking people out and hanging out with friends. It's going on hospital visits. It's reading the Bible together. It's hanging out and smoking cigars. It's whatever you do. If you take people along with you, you are making a disciple of them. So now we have to be intentional about what we're doing with our discipleship and make disciples of Jesus, not of us. Now, hopefully they see Jesus living inside of us, and the things that we take them along for, how we do them, as well as what we are doing, really helps us make disciples of Jesus. But if we're just a little intentional, if we can put in a little effort, unlike my friend John Joe, who it just comes so naturally to because he grew up on a ranch and that's how he grew up, if we can all just take people along with us, we will make disciples. And then if I'm intentional about what we're doing and how we are doing it, we'll make disciples of Jesus. So I hope this helps you out. If you are enjoying these videos, make sure that you like, you share, and make a comment here if you have any questions. If you're in Greensboro, North Carolina, and you want to come check out Catalyst Church, come see me 10 o'clock Sunday morning, and I'll save you a seat.